home was raped by a man in a stationary bus at Pune's Swargate bus depot. Now, the Deputy Commissioner of Police said that the incident took place at Swargate bus depot at around 5 a.m. on Wednesday. The suspect reportedly told her to board a State Transport Corporation's bus that was parked at the depot, and then he followed her into the bus and raped her. The officer said that the woman then approached the police after the crime. Investigators went through the CCTV footage and have identified the suspect. Currently, 8 teams have been constituted to trace the suspect. And amidst all of this, what we are seeing right now is reaction coming in from the opposition in the state of Maharashtra. Questions are being asked of the Fadnavis government. Sena UBT has questioned the state's law and order situation and has called for strictest possible action against the culprit.
बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की। मुख्यमंत्री जी के पास गृह मंत्रालय का भी विभाग है। हम देवेंद्र जी से निवेदन करेंगे कि आरोपियों को पकड़कर कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए और एक ऐसा संदेश दिया जाए कि किसी की हिम्मत न हो मां बहनों की तरफ आंख उठाकर देखने की। महाराष्ट्र में आए दिनों हत्याएं, लूटपाट और पुणे तो सांस्कृतिक नगरी कहलाती है। पुणे में ही सबसे ज्यादा अपराध हो रहे हैं। तो पुणे की जो खूबसूरती है, पुणे की जो विरासत है, वो वापस हमें लौटाना होगा। ये जो महायुति की महाभ्रष्ट सरकार है, कहीं न कहीं असफल हुई है लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को व्यवस्थित करने में।
It is a horrific and disturbing incident, and the person who is a serial offender has been allegedly identified as the culprit, and a manhunt has been launched by the police for him, and we are sure that the police will nab him in short time and justice will be done.
Shrishti is now joining us live for more on this. Shrishti, firstly, what's the update on the investigation in this case so far? What you were telling us earlier also, that this accused is a history sheeter, because now questions are being raised about the law and order situation, how people have no fear of law, especially in a city like Pune.
Well, of course, the investigation is going on as Pune police has formed 8 teams to hunt down this particular accused who has committed such heinous crime. Importantly, what comes across is that he fled from that location and he is still absconding. Now, Pune police is trying to find him out. What exactly transpired is that the girl was sitting at a bus stand. She was waiting for her bus as she was heading back to her hometown, that is in Satara, Fulton. She was there at the bus stand around 5:30 a.m. in the morning. This man approaches her, asks her and tries to convince her that your bus will not come at this terminal and there is some other spot where the bus will come. However, she resisted the fact and she mentioned that I travel often and I know that my bus comes here. But he somehow tried to convince her and took her to other part of terminal where there was no light, and then he even convinced her to go inside the bus. Even he asked her that you should go and first check because there was dark, and she even questioned that nobody is sitting inside that bus. He even opened his phone, put on the torch of his phone and asked her to check by herself. When she went inside the bus, he immediately shut the door and went inside and raped her brutally. And this is what are the details which are coming to fore. Importantly, after that she somehow tried to ask for help, but there was no one at that particular spot to help her out.
News after there we've got from Pune. Shrishti, for now, thank you for joining us with those details. And with this, we will slip into another very, very short break, but don't go anywhere. More news and updates coming up on the other side. Stay with us.